Hi guys, this is Rahul Nair from Kashyap Tutorials, and this is our new YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel is mainly for helping you guys for preparing against the main national level entrance exams such as IIT, JEE and other medical examinations. So in this channel we will upload videos regarding the main topic and the hardcore topics that is always asked in the national level entrance examination. So for that we will just cover up all the syllabus from 11th and 12th standard. And again, if you have any queries or any doubt regarding any topic in the science subjects, you can just comment in the comment section, as well as you can mail us, which is given in the description. Thank you.